bitch like a big homie. You can't never little sis me. I got big money, pockets fat like your granny. I told her cook some. Yes. I'm the boss bitch if that nigga left me. It's his loss, bitch. I want everything here. But the cost, sis, if you really got that nigga, get him off. Got him blowing up my line, keep calling. He a crazy ass nigga, keep stalking. I had to block that nigga number, kept talking. If he a dog ass nigga, watch me walk that nigga.
Hey, hello there. I don't know how in the world I started this video without doing an intro. I really don't know, and I cannot explain to you. It just totally left my mind. I think it's because I was making a TikTok while I was doing it. It was just a lot going on at once. So, yeah. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a detailed install on my new wig that I was gifted by WorldNewHair. Thank you very much. And yeah, and the makeup at the end, just a little time lapse through. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn a lot of tricks and new things. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all that stuff. Everything will be down below, even all the stuff about the hair. So yeah, I don't know how this happened. It won't happen ever again though, I promise you. But yeah, enjoy the video. Love you guys. This is how my hair looks right now. It's already growing out. I'm so sad, but it's okay. I'm really freaking excited because you guys know, like, all I wear is like black wigs. I recently just dyed another wig of mine, and it's like magenta red. That was really fun to create, and you guys loved it. So now I'm coming with a new look literally the day after. This is she's honestly stunning. I love her. Don't mind the plastic bag. I had her because I was like bleaching the knots and stuff, and I don't want my head to get all dirty. But look at her. Yeah, so she is supposed to be 24 inches, but baby, I feel like this is longer. This is for sure 24 inches, but on my body it's 30. Okay, this is going past my butt. The highlights, beautiful. Like, look at her. So I bleached the knots yesterday. I had to bleach them twice, which was really inconvenient, but she's beautiful. She did come pre-plucked. I just plucked her a little bit. I've been wanting to get my hands on a highlight wig for a minute, so very excited. This hair is actually from WorldNewHair. They sent over this package. This is what the hair was in. This is what came in the box. I don't really like how pale or like bright I look. Yeah, so they sent over some goods with the package, and I'm living for it. So I think I'm most excited about this. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these, and this is actually the first company that has ever gave me to tie down your wigs. Yeah, this is really cute, very essential. It also came with a wig cap, my color thing. My color. It came with this hair clip. It came with just this little card, adjustable strap, and over some little cute old lashes. This is what I'm really excited about, a wig grip. So you just put this on, and you don't really have to put your wig on like all the way. Your wig will literally stay on your head, so love that. And then they sent over this little cute headband. This is really cute actually. Like, I'll wear this for the summer. It's cute. I do believe she is a 13x4, so I really like 13x6s, but it's okay. We're gonna get into the hair, and yes, I'm very excited for this. I have my mirror right here, y'all. I have to see, so I'm just gonna use this. I got this from Sally's, or you could get it on Amazon, y'all. I learn something new every day, and I've been following this girl who I really love her installs. So I've been... Who is this calling me? Hello?
Hi, this is Tanner. I'm a senior executive in our...
Oh, sorry, Tanner. Goodbye. Shit. what she does, the girl that I do for her wigs, is to not, because I always used to have a struggle of showing this. It's because I used to put it so forward. So she did it about here. Yeah, like an inch away from the hairline, and she just left it there. So I'm just gonna use my spray. I'm gonna use my olive oil super spray. I'm running out a lot actually. I'm gonna use my bronzer here. I'm making a TikTok as we go. So now I'm gonna finally put her on my head, and I'm so excited. I have yet to put her on my actual head. So we're gonna see her on all together. Ooh, baby! Oh, it's over for the boys. It's over for the boys, baby. Look at her. I can't forget about my TikTok, y'all. It's time to install. Oh, I'm gonna cut here. Actually, I'm gonna cut here to where my eyebrow is. So that's one. Another one. Okay, so now we have 3 parts, you see? So we can focus on each side. So I'm always going to do the top first. So push it back like that. I'm sorry, I'm playing too much. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Handy Dandy spray. This is the Got To Be High Extra Hold Fast Drying. It's really hairspray, but I'm gonna use it as a wig spray. Spray all right here. Yes, honey, job. She's tacky. So now I'm gonna get this part. Go like this. Hold her in. I'm gonna do this side. And this one, I'm gonna cut my ear tabs. So ear tabs are always tricky. I always have a hard time with ear tabs, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna hold this hair back to just, okay, where is my ear? So I need to cut where my ear is. And that's right here. So you see that? We're gonna cut. See, I already fucked up. It's crazy. Insane. But it's okay. Tab. Okay. To cut you a little bit more. It's definitely gonna be my did I just cut my real hair? This gives me more of a natural look. So if you see what I'm doing here, the end of a rat tail comb, I use this also to place it down like this. Morgan got me onto doing wigs. That's a fact. And then I just kept doing it. And I kept learning how to do shit all myself. And we're here now. Okay, we'll be good. So now that it is all on my head, some plucking because I want it to be as natural looking as possible. Pluck. So what I do is I grab the front piece and I use some tweezers and I'm just start plucking. So how I pluck is the tip up and I just brush down again. If you guys can see, this part is like white. It's really, really white. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my handy dandy Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna take this color because this is like the color that matches with my hair the most, and I'm going to just go over that lace with it. This isn't really as natural as I want it to be, so I'm gonna do a lot of plucking and I'll be back. So I added these little ugly ass little baby hairs to my head, and now I'm gonna put this wrap on because so what? Okay, it's covering half my forehead, but I really don't care. I'm gonna now use this hot comb to hot comb my hair just the way I want it to be. Okay. Tell you, the hot comb changes your life, because without this hot comb, I feel like half of my looks wouldn't be as best. Cool, okay. Now that's on. I literally hate these baby hairs. They're so ugly. Okay. I might have to do something with them because I'm not feeling them at all. What I want with my hair to do is, this is the most satisfying thing about my hair, is this shit right here. Like, this shit right here is gonna make the biggest difference. Watch. So I have my hot comb, and you guys see all these flyaways. I don't know if you see them, but I for sure see them, and they're pissing me off. Okay, so I'm gonna, do y'all see how pretty the hair is now? I'm telling you. Another thing to make the hairline look so natural, I use concealer, obviously, because it's gonna make a huge difference and it's gonna make it look very much natural. So I'm not gonna smooth it in. I'm gonna literally dab it in my hairline like that. Like that. And I'm gonna do that. And just like that, baby, we made a part. Oh, over the hair, because it's not as straight as I want it to be, I'm gonna go in with my straightener now. She's lengthy though. She's pretty. A little 24-inch hair. Yeah, it goes past my booty. 24 is giving me 30. So I'm gonna now straighten it. To silk my hair, I'm gonna use this Bio Silk. I always literally use this. It's a holy grail, okay? Use that much. Put all over the hair. You're probably like, girl, it's already straight. But no, baby, I want it to be bone straight. So that is it for the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little install. All the information to this wig and all the information about the company down below, honey. But thank you, WorldNewHair, for sending me this hair. I love it so much. But the next video is really gonna be how I curl it and like style it. So if you want to see that, let me know. But now, honey, we're gonna get into this makeup. Boom. Now you guys are way close to my face, up close and personal. Hello. I feel like Emma Chamberlain right now because she always does this in her videos. But on this part, I decided to just fast pace it all. You can see me talking, but you guys already see me do my makeup in my last baddie, bum to baddie, and it's still the same thing. So I'm just gonna let this part just go fast, but enjoy it. And if you wanted to see the products I use or detailed, then watch the bum to baddie video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, WorldNewHair, for sending me this hair again. Like this video, subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram to see the pictures that I took in this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.